Welcome to QDpot and thank you for choosing QDpot as your wholesale supplier of Korean cosmetics. I believe you're doing great there. Today we are going to talk about the complete process of ordering Korean cosmetics through QDpot. And remember, as we will be talking about all the basics, and if you're familiar with these things, you can fast forward to the next step to save your time. Alright, so first, once you land on our wholesale page, on the top you got different buttons like how to order, payment, shipping, tracking, etc. Most importantly, FAQ, because all the information about wholesale is given in FAQ, and probably all of your questions might be answered already in FAQ, so you should have a look on this. So here we got the list of brands, and as you can see that we can't see the supplier rates, and also we won't be able to download the order sheets. The reason is you need to log into your wholesale account, and if you don't have, you have to sign up. So in our case, we have an account, so we are going to log into our account. So once we logged in, we will be able to see the supply rates, and we will be able to download the order sheets. So on the leftmost, we got the name of brand, and then we got MOQ, which is the minimum order quantity for that brand. And remember, this MOQ is applicable only to this brand. So $500 for 3CE only. You can't mix it with other brand. Here we got the supply rates. Remember, these are supply rates, not the discount rate. So the difference between supply rate and discount rate is, supply rate is a percentage of the retail price you will be paying in a wholesale price, and discount rate is equal to 100 minus supply rate. So let me give you an example. If the product cost, 3CE product cost $10, and your supply rate for $500 orders is 75%, that means you will be paying 75% of retail price. So 75% of retail price means 75% of $10. That will be $7.5. Okay, and in case of $20,000 orders, your supply rate is 61%. That means you will be paying 61% of $10. That will be $6.1. So higher the supply rate, lower the discount, and lower the supply rate, higher the discount. So in this example, discount rate will be equal to 100 minus 75%, that is 25%. And for $20,000 orders, discount rate will be 100 minus 61%, that is 39%. So I hope you are clear with the difference between supply rate and discount rates. As we have a lot of brands, as of now, March 6, 2019, we have 160 brands. So in case you can't, the easiest way to find the brands is you just head up to this search box and type in the name of the brand, and the brand will be filtered out. Okay, so in our example, we will be placing an order for Etude House. So you got to click on download to download the order sheet. Once you click this download link, an Excel sheet will be opened. Sorry. Okay, so this is Etude House order sheet, and we are going to talk a bit about what we see all around here on the order sheet. On the top left, we got the contact details of you, your name, your shipping address, postal code, and etc. Remember to input the accurate information. And here on the right, we got the supply rate according to different order sizes, and this supply rate is exactly same as what you see right here. Okay, and then here is the supply rate box where you have to change supply rate according to your order size. Remember, you should always change your supply rate according to your order totals before you upload the order sheet. Otherwise, the total amount, a total value on the invoice will be different from the total value on the order sheet you sent, because we will change supply rate according to your order size. So to avoid confusion, you should change supply rate on your order sheet before you send it over to us. And here we got the totals, total quantity, total based on retail and wholesale. And here we have a product details like product names, capacity, retail price, wholesale price, and box quantity. One thing which changed recently, that is, before we used to have input number of pieces and you were supposed to order the pieces according to the box quantity, but it has changed now. So now you will be inputting the number of boxes you want to order, not the number of pieces. So minimum you can order one box. So once you input one, then it will change. I mean, number of pieces you can see, I mean, number of pieces you order will change to 50 and the prices will be accordingly. So you can, if you want 2 boxes, you'd add 2. If you want 3, you add 3. But do not input 50 as if you want to order 50 pieces. So it will be 2,500 pieces, because here is the number of boxes you need to input. So if you put 50 boxes, that means 50 times 50 means 2,500 pieces. That's one thing. And the second is, in this example of Etude House, as you know, Etude House has a lot of products. So sometimes it's difficult to find out the product you're looking for. So remember, there are 2 easy ways to figure out the product you want. One is, you can see the products are sorted out according to A to Z format. So you can scroll down to the letter by which the product name start. For example, you're looking for product, we start with name C. So you can scroll down to C, and then there you got the product, and then you can figure it out. Okay, you can find it out. And the second way is, you know, in Excel there's a search function. You can search the product you're looking for. For example, in our case, let's say we are looking for a product which is dark cloud mask. Okay, this one. So let's go to the top and we go to search dark cloud mask. Okay, so once we input the name in the search and click enter, the Excel will pull you down to the product where it is. So here we are automatically, and then you can input the order, quantity, whatever you want for this one. Okay, now in our example now, the total is 2.89 million Korean won. That is roughly equal to 2,800 US dollar. Assume $1 US equal to 1,000. This is what you can assume, and it's roughly close enough. So then you are supposed to change supply rate accordingly, because the default supply rate on our order sheets is applicable for $5,000 plus orders. As you can see, 59% is for $5,000, and here you already have the comments which say that change supply rate according to your order size, because the default supply rate is applicable for $5,000 plus orders. So in our example, our total is $2,000 plus, so we are going to change the supply rate to 62%, which is applicable. So the moment you input 62%, the prices will change automatically, and also the total will change accordingly. All right, so now everything is clear here. One more thing, that is, if you want to know the prices of each item according to your local currency, here we have a tutorial, and you can click to watch it to learn how to do that. So that's given there. You can watch that one. So now, given that we are done with our order and we are going to save it. In our case, we save to the desktop. All right, that's Etude House test. Okay. Now head back to the wholesale page again and click on upload button. Remember, there are different ways you can send us the order sheet. It could be through uploading on the wholesale page. You can email us, you can send us via WhatsApp or other channels you're communicating with us. So we saved it on the desktop, is Etude House test. We select this file and you enter your name. All right, and then you hit upload. So the moment you do it, it's gonna take few seconds and the order will be uploaded. It will be received by us. Once we receive it, we will get back to you with invoice and payment instructions. So simple is that, very easy, very quick, and we are proud to mention that we have made wholesale ordering very easy and very smooth. So this is it for now, and in case you have any questions or concerns, you can comment below on this video, or you can go to our wholesale page and you can contact us via WhatsApp, Viber, and other social media channels. So if you have any questions, we will be happy to assist. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope everything is clear, and we look forward to serve you. We look forward to serve your order. Stay in touch. Have a good day. Bye bye.